my beautiful angels, welcome back to a&aglitter. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my monthly subscription box from a&aglitter. Now this is the gold box. You pay £20 for glitter and nail art. I can't remember how much postage is. I've been getting these for quite a while now, so I should know, but I do apologise, I do not know. So yeah, I thought I would jump on and share with you what I got. So that is her label. So you can find her on Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube. Did I say her? A&A is April and Aaron. So I should say their Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and also there is the website. Oh gosh, dropped it already. So you get inside the box this beautiful card. Again, just shows you where they're at, and they've even got an email address. Okay, so I will start off with these because they are at the top. I got two lace. I've got so much bloody lace. Oh, it's not two. There's a few. Okay, so we got a purple one. Let's use this, bring it a bit closer. So there's this purple or lilac, whatever you want to call it. Oh god. Then there's like this lime green. And just a white one. And then a yellow one. And this one, I think, is like a really light pink. I'm not going to try and get them back in that bag. Okay, then I love this. I've got, in the last couple of subscription boxes, I've got a purple one and a purple and yellow one. So now I have a pink one. If you don't know, which I'm sure you do, oh, it's got pearls on the bottom. This is one of those, of course you know, it's a pom-pom. And you can stick it to your nail or put it in acrylic. And then it attaches. And I guess when you're going to wash your hands and whatnot, you can just pull it off. So there's that. Okay, then I got these bloody stunning. Let me get a tray. So these are round back clear SS16. These are so pretty. Wow. It's like double tape on it. Double-sided tape, I mean. They're so sparkly. Very beautiful. Okay, I'll do these and then Oh, so these are the nail arty bits. So I've got some lemons. I've got some grape ones that I got from one of these boxes. And then these like grapefruit. God, and they're pretty darn full. And then this 12 grid of like different colour shells. Very, very pretty. I like that a lot. Right, now onto the glitters. So, oh, I could show you. UV Mega Mix, which is in lime. What colour? It will glow. Let us see. No, purple, you see. So cool. I've got a couple of these now. Not the same colour. I can't remember which ones I've got. Okay, glow in the dark, luminous green. So these are like them tiny circles. Rhubarb Fizz multi-mix. This is really pretty. God, the lighting's shocking. I'm so sorry. Should have done this daytime. These are hexagons. Pretty. Then Pastel Peach Mega Mix. Beautiful colour. Really, really pretty. Sour Candy Mega Mix. Very pretty. I love a&a glitters. They're so, so lovely. Then Bubblegum Jelly Mix. I think I've got this. Not quite sure. I know I've got something bubblegum. Beautiful colour. Petal, I was about to say Petal Peach. Petal Crush Marigold. So it's like mylar. Lovely colour. And we've got Party Popper Special Mix. This is a neon hexagons, all different sizes, and then there is some mylar. Oh, I love some mylar. Then Summer Sorbet multi-mix. Beautiful. Really, really beautiful. And then lastly, Goody Two Shoes Special Mix. This is very pretty. I can see hexagons and some circles. Oh look, and there's some stars in it as well. Ooh, this is lovely. I like that a lot. Right, that is it for today's video. I know I said in my, not my last, I think 2 videos ago, that I was going to do my daughter's nails because it was her birthday on the 21st, and I was going to record doing her nails, but I didn't record because it was so hot. I was bothered and I just didn't record it. So as you can see, I took my acrylics off about a week ago. They need redoing, so I will do a video of me doing my nails because it's been a while. So, and I might even use one of these glitters because I've got some acrylics that I got for my birthday. The video would have gone up already, and today I put up the swatches, so I will use one of those glitters, acrylics, and use one of these glitters. So I'm going to go now. Thank you all so much for watching. Please take good care of yourselves, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.